Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross GR Sport is a subcompact SUV that is the sportier version of the standard Yaris Cross. It has a more aggressive grille, front and rear bumpers, and side skirts. It also has 18-inch alloy wheels, a sport suspension, and a rear spoiler. The interior of the GR Sport has GR badging on the seats, steering wheel, and floor mats. It also has a black headliner and red stitching on the seats and steering wheel. The GR Sport is powered by the same 1.5-litre 3-cylinder hybrid engine as the standard Yaris Cross. The engine produces 116 horsepower and 141 pounds-to-feet of torque. The GR Sport is available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross GR Sport starts at $25,645 for the front-wheel drive model and $27,145 for the all-wheel drive model. More aggressive exterior styling, sport suspension, 18-inch alloy wheels, black headliner, red stitching on the seats and steering wheel, 1.5-litre 3-cylinder hybrid engine, 116 horsepower and 141 pounds-to-feet of torque, front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, starting price of $25,645. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content.